Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be exploring this abandoned, I think like an apartment building, and it looks pretty old. I don't know what it was, but before it was abandoned, it was a store. I think it was like a camping store, but I'm not really sure. Looks really cool though. After this car, we can head in, walk around, and then head in. This is the building closer up. Look at that trim and brickwork up there. That's gorgeous. Here's another look at it. And now let's head around the side and then we'll head in. Here's the side. It also looks really cool. But here's the back of this place. The sunset's in the background. That's pretty cool. Yeah, man. It's a nice day out. This place I've been trying to get into for a while. But the sad part is it's all gutted. So there's nothing really cool here, but it's still kind of cool I can get in. They left these old windows here. I think they're trying to salvage them. That's pretty cool. Look at these windows. So there's not really much in here. Here's over here. Here's like the front of the building. I like that big bay window. What's over here? Looks like there's probably a door at one point. I'll show you the other side of this part and then we'll head into the basement, but we can't go upstairs because there's no way up there. Sucks though that's all gutted. Because I was really hoping that there'd be like a full place in here. The outside looks pretty cool though. But guys, I'm gonna head down into the basement right now. And that'll be it. I like this tile though, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Let's get some other window.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like these old windows. Oh, look at this old Pepsi crate. It's actually pretty cool. What's over here?
Did the floor just let go?
Yeah, I don't even know.
Wow. Fuck. Crazy, man.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Q4
watch
just-
out.
Are those like doors?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
There would probably be stairs to come down here.
Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for this video probably, as we can't go upstairs, so I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully it's a lot cooler than this. But peace.